be told, since I was 8 or 9 years old. We sailed away, uprooted and torn from home. Red dust seeps into my home.
Toby
Zastrow, congratulations. Right now, the most important thing is I'm handing the keys to the beautiful box that Brenton and Daniel made, and this is the day he actually gets to have it. So it's this is really special. Here you go, Toby. Congratulations.
Greg Chester.
Greg Chester. Woo!
Hey.
Cheers. Stand by. Here we go. Wow. And he did it! Good on him! I knew he was going to do something.
Alright YouTube, you have joined us for the highlights, the highs and the lows, the pleasures and the upsets as we realise just how little we ended up with compared to our mate Greg. Congrats mate, it's bloody good. Well deserving, as they say.
Oh, thank you very much.
You are very worthy, sir. We might shut down the live broadcast and have some food. Because the food, she's now served. Thanks very much for everybody joining along, and we'll catch you next time. JB.